सर आयज अशें आयकून येयला की एक टँका भितर कितें इन्सिडेंट जाला, कितें जाल्लें मातसो क्लियर सांग.
Plant shutdown asa from 30th April. So this is our annual maintenance shutdown. So a condensate tanker एक job चलतालो contractor. So when the job was going on, so तो एक बारीकसो blast जालो. तातूंत तीन fatalities जाले. The contractor was working with due permissions and all of it. Because this is an annual shutdown. And investigation is on. So people from factory boilers are there. Deputy collector is there, police also is there. But they are investigating.
खंय सेमान ट्वीट केला की अमोनिया टँकाक ब्लास्ट जाला.
No, ammonia tank, it is a condensate tank, condensate. So कोणते ammonia, I don't know how it got to it. It's a condensate where steam is there.
आणि कितें जाल्लें, केन्ना जाल्लें आणि मागीर
Happened at around 2:45. So 2:45
कसं
when they
झालं
were
कितें?
working on the tank. They have to work on the tank.
हां
For removing, this is a shutdown tank, so the tank has to be inspected. So when they were removing the nozzle, so the tank cover, so that time when they were it got ignited with some gas, cutting bulk cutting. So that's the reason it got blast झालो. But investigation is on what exactly must have become the reason. So that is what they are going to
सध्या ऑफिसान तुमच्या प्लांटाचे कलेक्टर बी आयला शाळेत, तर कोण कोण आयला होतो?
डेप्युटी कलेक्टर आसा, DYSP आसा, PI आयला आणि फ्रॉम फॅक्टरी इन्स्पेक्टरेट सायड ही आयल्या. सो दे आर इन्व्हेस्टिगेटिंग. एक्झॅक्ट कॉज विल बी नोन वन्स दे गिव अस अ रिपोर्ट.
only 3 persons were working or
Only 3 persons were working.
any arrest has been made in this?
No arrest has been.
आणि कोण
They are investigating.
आणि कोण आशिल्लो पण थिंगा?
ना आणि कोण ना.
तिगूच जाण.
तिगूच जाण काम करतात.
खंयचे ते कितें दे
They
आर
are from
टेक्निकल
Bokaro. It's a contractor, Bokaro structure work, who are our contractor for last 5-6 years. So they usually do the jobs, so mechanical jobs. So ताका लागून they were doing. But unfortunate incident has happened.
सर ते ऐकून येता की देवर प्रिस्क्राईब कोल्ड वर्क्स पण तांच्यांनी गॅस कटिंग लायला, हाका लागून तो ब्लास्ट जाला अशें कितें?
I cannot comment now. पण इन्व्हेस्टिगेशनार कळटलें एक्झॅक्टली कितें जालां. इट लुक्स दॅट वे, बट आय कॅनॉट कमेंट.
आतां बॉडी तो गॅस कटिंग
येस
बॉडी खंय गेली मागीर?
बॉडी हांगा इमिजिएटली आमी ताका आमच्या एम्बुलन्सान घालून SMRCन व्हेलें. पूण दे वर डिक्लेअर्ड डेड बिकॉज दे फेल फ्रॉम दॅट height.
कितले हायट आशिल्ली?
इट्स अबाउट 6 meters.
एम्प्टी आशिल्ली टँक.
हय, थँक्यू.
थँक्यू.